Mine is over there. I don't know if you
where is it? What the fuck? You got a boner from your car?
That little shit right there.
Wanna shoot Kenny? Cameraman Kenny. Alright, so today we're removing this fucking seatbelt. The seat, because I got into an accident and this is happening on the bottom. So,
I zoom in.
yeah, so this happened. Airbag deployed. You can just fit your whole head in here. And we also got a current airbag, but I don't think I'm gonna put it in today. Too much of a hassle. I gotta take apart half of the ceiling. And if I do this, I'm gonna redo the headliner, which, looking at it now, I need to probably buy a new one because it's ripped. But anyways, today we're gonna replace this first. So we're gonna be using a triple square M10. You can find these at AutoZone if you need to get them in a pinch, and they fit onto 13 socket. So they're gonna be about, I think it's 4 of them. It's gonna be 4 of these. Just 2 in the back and 2 in the very front. You want to slide the chair all the way to the front so you get access to these. So I recommend using a what's this called again? Impact
Drill.
or drill, which one you have, but something that's strong enough to break these off, because messing around with triple squares, you can easily strip out the bolt head. Just by looking at it, you can see how thin and fine those heads are. Assuming Mr. Camera Kenny.
Yeah.
So you don't want to speed this to be slipping everywhere, because if not, if you round it out, you're gonna have to extract it, and good luck to you on that one. So again, word advice: get these. This is a set, I think, from like 6 to 12, and most of the triple squares, interior wise, I believe they're about that size, M6 to M12 triple square bit. So you can use this with the. I'm gonna take out the other one. As you can see, all you gotta do is blast it 2 times, and it goes pretty smooth without messing around with the teeth.
Bruh.
Alright.
Gotta make sure you take the harness off as well.
Yeah, the harness is on the bottom before you pull it. Thank you, Camera King. Almost forgot that one, about a yank on it. Alright,
Hold this.
I got it. So we figured out that you don't have to disconnect it from down there if not needed. We didn't need it because it came with the whole harness. Apparently there's like a 2-part harness to this thing, where it connects to here at the bottom of the seat, and it goes down into the floorboard there.
A flathead. Oh shit, where did I leave it?
Right here. Pocket. So that's what's going on at this moment.
So if you're lucky enough like we did, you get the one harness that goes into this and runs into the floorboard under that carpet part thing. Take a little, you know. Got it?
Hold on, I'm trying to figure out.
Yeah. Yeah, because it looked weird, because I'll show you that, because I think this is some sort of recall or something, or something happened here that people do this a lot. The new chair has it, and so does this. So does this one. Hold on. It's kind of, oh, you got it?
Yep.
Alright, so it's a little fugazi up in here, but
There's a clip.
just pull it up. Yeah. Little flathead twist and pull. There you go. Deal. Done. Now, Cameron and Kenny. Oh my. Shit, step on this thing. Just throw it on top. Take it over and compare to what I was talking about. So like I was saying, for some reason this thing has a two-part harness. Like it connects to this, and then there's another connection right here that's similar to this one. But for some reason people are doing this. I don't know why, but it's happening. And then this goes into the chassis of the body. Now that's why we got confused when we saw this. They had spliced it in the same way as the other one, except he kept the connector in case we wanted to fix it or whatever. And again, this goes into the body. So you don't have to unclip it from here, you can just clip it from the floor.
Ugh, slipping.
You good?
Yeah. Why is it being stubborn?
Some of these connectors need a little persuasion. Kenny, maybe it'll help if you spit on it.
Well, supposed to slide in.
You good?
It's not clicking.
Let me double check on this. So, ran into a bit of a problem. Just by looking at it too, there's a different security tab. There's orange and there's blue. The size is a little different. When you look at it, the entrance is a little different. I don't know if you can focus. There you go. Just by looking at it, hold on. Zoom in right now. There you go. Just by this autofocus sucks ass. Just by looking at it, you can see it's a little different on both ones. This is the one we got. This is the one.
Turn this one around.
Yeah. So, oh, there you go. My bad. There you go. You can see the difference. There's more of a notch on this side than on this side. This is the one it came with, and this is the one we had in our car. There might be revision in the harness. I wouldn't know why exactly. So this one we're taking off. And the good part about it is they're both color coded the same thing. Brown being ground, I believe green being some sort of power, and yellow being signal. Don't quote me on that. So do the same thing with this one. In some cases I would say solder the connector, but I don't want to do it because then a lot of people are going to start whining. Oh, you should have just crimp connected. And saying, oh, you soldered too much or you soldered wrong. So we're just gonna crimp it. Oh shit. What the hell is it? Alright. And considering the fact that this is not gonna be under the base, so I don't have to worry about the solder melting away or anything, or the crimp being exposed somewhat. So if you don't want to do this, just make sure your seat you're buying is the same exact one as connector, but it's almost going to be impossible because there would be iterations of this. So best bet is just cut some butt connectors or quick connectors, whatever you want to call them,
Bruh.
Oh! Got it. Now. Oh, this is oh my god. Alright. It's a lot more comfortable. So because I don't have crimp pliers, I'm gonna use regular pliers. Squeeze from the bottom, on the very base of the connector. And of course that was a horrible job. I need to go to this. Now they're all color coded again. You can't fuck this up. Oh, I'm not supposed to curse. Ow.
Later. He goes, yeah.
And you're set. Oh. Of course I'm gonna edit that so it looks it's a lot easier. You could wrap some tape around this, make it look nice. Heat it up and it'll shrink up, but fuck it, no one's gonna see this. And it works. That's all that matters. Even the fucking clip is different. Alright, so as you can see, you can't fuck this up. The alignment, there's little hinges here. There's also a little hinge over here, I believe, yeah. On this side. So, you see it? It's this hinge right, there's like a little hinge right there that slips on. Same side on the other side. It's on the lower part of the thing. So, quick note so you don't really fuck this up. Start by hand. This is, cause see, look, you see what I'm doing already? I feel like it's not even going in. We hit it with the freaking power tool. We should probably strip the threads out of it. See? Start by hand. You have to tighten out the whole way. Take each one, do the same thing. Tighten down by hand. Now we move the chair back. Last one. Put it in for me, Kenny. Oh, put it in for me. Oh shit.
Should go crisscross.
Yeah, I was about to say that. We're gonna do crisscross. So we can start like a tire. You're gonna start at this end, then move to the front end, back end, and front end again. Does anyone know the difference between chairs between generations? Comment below, because this sure feels a lot better. I mean, I don't know if the guy barely wrote on it or something. It's just.
You got keys?
Yeah.
Turn it on, see you.
Oh, there's any errors?
Yep.
Imagine the airbag blows in my face. Hilarious.
Oh god, this is gonna be bad.
Alright guys, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Oh, let me close the door.
Watch it. Whoa, watch it, watch it.
Oh, I know. Fasten seatbelt. Airbag full.
Yes. Yes. Oh wait, put on your seatbelt? Yeah, that means it works properly.
Why is that one on?
That was always been on. Did you hit me?
No. Success.
Success, guys. New chair. And they're like somewhere. Next thing is the airbag that goes. I don't think we can fix that though, right? Need a new one, right?
You need a new headliner, yeah.
How deep is the...
What's up, guys? Pretty sure you finished watching the video of me installing that seat a while back ago. You guys, thanks again for keeping subscribed and watching my videos. The other thing is I'm gonna say is, like, I'm gonna try to add different content to this channel because I just don't want it to be about cars. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put it up on the screen. I try to post there kind of every so often. Keep it keep it new. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys next time. And also the seat thing, if there's any questions, you guys can hit me up either in the comments or you could message me. But yeah, I installed the seat, and it's been a while now. I think it's been over almost a year now after I did this repair. Believe it or not, it's about to be November in a few more weeks, and that's when I got hit in the accident. So the car's been doing great since then. Everything's been top notch. I also wanted to talk about some suspension work in the back that I think you should look into. But other than that, guys, you guys have a good weekend. I'll talk to you guys next time, and I'll see you around.